Hello guys, good morning. Good morning from me and my puffy face. The sun is sunning. Happy days are here. You guys, the sun is shining hot. Like, I can't even believe it. I'm so excited. My heart is filled with joy. My heart is elated. It's so sunny. Like, I really want to make use of today's sun. I feel like I need to do laundry, compulsory laundry. I just did laundry 2 days ago, but because this sun, I want to utilize it today. And I have quite a few things to do. By the way, Zayn is starting tennis today. Woo! So he'll be joining Zoe. He went like 2 Saturdays ago, if I'm not mistaken. But officially today he's resuming tennis. I'm so excited, just brings back memories of when Zoe started as well. Zoe started when she was 3 or 4 years old. I can't really remember now, but today she has gone far. She's really trying. She's really doing an amazing job, thanks to her daddy who has been patient, and she has had like 2 coaches, one in Malaysia. She had a coach in Malaysia, and she also has a coach here in the UK. And I mean, it's been good. To God be the glory. So they're getting ready now to go with their dad while I'll be at home. I can't wait to be home alone. The house will be quiet. I'll have time to myself. I'll think, reason. No shouting mommy 100 times. At least before they come back, I'll have a bit of me time. But I want to cook. So anywho, while I'm cooking, everywhere will be quiet. That's important. And also maybe like clean the house and do a bit of Saturday things here and there.
See that? See?
What is it? Have you applied your own sunscreen?
Yes.
See your shirt, your racket. Wow. Are you happy to start tennis?
Yes.
Wow. Hurry up. But today is like his official first day.
Let's go with us. So let's go.
I forgot something.
What are you forgetting again, Mama? Time has gone.
Because like first, you say I'm the one at the same time, and then after
All these things you are done.
Is it cold?
Let's go. It's cold. When you enter the sun now, you see. Yeah, let's go.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Play well, okay? See you later. My people are back from tennis. I've not even finished my work. I've not even gone halfway. My food is not ready yet. Father Lord. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your tennis?
I played tennis with the racket.
You played tennis with the racket. How was it? How was tennis?
Fine.
Did you play well?
I won 3 matches. Three.
Three. Well done. Welcome.
And the last one, the boy was annoying me and it was 8-8, which was a tie. And then 2 more, I won.
Good job. Good job. Good
2
job. Good job.
seconds.
Yeah, you want this bread. Okay,
I didn't find the other one. That's just... Move.
I finally finished cleaning, cooking, food is ready. Zoe and Zain are back from tennis. They are upstairs. Their daddy is helping them set up the jacuzzi because this weather is just perfect for it. Let me go and check and see what they are doing. A lot of noise, a lot of talk happening up.
Are you ready to go in?
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Wait, can we go in now? Let's go in. Hey, can do it now. We can't! Come. Hey, look! Wow! Jacuzzi's over. Nice. Hello.
Is it having fun?
What is it? Let me help you.
Don't put it in the mouth.
Then look, should I make it look? I'm going to only go. Look.
On it.
No! Good! Look. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da!
Wow, it's nice now, Zain.
Look, it's
Stay.
relaxing. No, it's relaxing. Don't worry, look.
Okay, don't hurt again. Wow. So nice.
I know it looks like the way it was nice. Wow.
What happened?
Maybe it's too close to it.
Oh. Sorry.
Fish.